Going out to the country is a big fat dog. This is a big moment here. This porch swing was hanging over here this morning. I took it down and moved it over here because that one, in a typical, hillbilly fashion, it's just laying there. This might be beyond my repair abilities, but this chain ain't gonna throw that away. Gonna take the chain off, duh. Now, this porch swing also needs repairing, but it's not so far gone. This leaves me with this great big open area. Wow. I don't know if I'm gonna put this over here, or what I really like the idea of is moving that barrel over here, and I'd actually like to get a couple, here, let me sit down on my broken, there we go. That's better. I like to have some barrels right there because it's just so sunny and wonderful. Before we had one of the porch swings over there. We've done different things over the years. You can kind of see those hooks. When the children were little, we put just a child swing. We used to have 2 sets of table and chairs. So one of the sets was there and one was here. I think that other set bit the dust. And a lot of time, basically here, the patio is kind of my realm. That's a deck. It also has a table and chairs, and then a small table and 2 chairs, and the grill. But I don't know, I like it down here. I don't know why. I need to ask you a favor. Social media allows you and others to see our content if you like, subscribe, and click the notification bell. Otherwise, it just gets ignored. So I heartfeltly thank you.